Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and garage door guardians. Today we're diving into the world of garage door safety, focusing on a crucial component that often goes unnoticed until it acts up: sensor alignment. First off, let's talk about why sensor alignment is not just important, but essential. These sensors are your garage door's eyes, ensuring that nothing is in the way when the door is on the move. Proper alignment ensures your door closes smoothly and, more importantly, safely. It's all about preventing accidents and keeping your garage door in top-notch condition. So how can you tell if your sensors are misaligned? There are a few telltale signs. Maybe your garage door refuses to close, or it starts to close and then reverses suddenly for no apparent reason. Sometimes the door might even stop and start repeatedly. These are all SOS signals from your garage door, hinting that the sensors need some TLC. Now, if you're feeling handy, you might want to try realigning those sensors yourself. It's often as simple as gently adjusting them until they're pointing directly at each other. A small light on each sensor usually indicates when they're in perfect harmony. But, and this is a big but, if fiddling around with the sensors doesn't do the trick, it's time to call in the pros. And that's where we come in. If your garage door sensors are giving you the cold shoulder, don't wrestle with them alone. Dial 1-866-992-1816 and speak to a seasoned garage door repair and installation technician. We're here to ensure your garage door operates safely and efficiently, so you don't have to give it a second thought. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, a well-aligned garage door sensor means a safe and smooth operating garage door. Don't let a small misalignment turn into a big headache. Call 1-866-992-1816 for expert assistance. Stay safe and see you in the next one.